Garudasana, otherwise known as Eagle God pose, is another, again, standing balancing posture. It's very tough. There's a lot going on, so I'll take my time guiding you through it. I'll do a front view and then a side view as well, so you can kind of see, get an idea of what it looks like. So I'll start with the front view. I'm going to start with my left leg as my standing leg, and I want to eagle wrap. This is the term we use. So my right thigh is going over my left, and the full expression of the shape. Obviously, some people can't do it, myself being one of them, where I have a bit more size on myself. So ideally, I want my foot wrapped behind my left calf, so it'll go over and underneath and around. But due to, we have to work with what we've got. So this is as far as I can go with my legs and my hips. So I'm wrapping my right thigh over left, and I'm reaching my arms up, right arm underneath the left arm, and I want my elbows in line with my shoulders, hands away from my face. And again, the full bind is with the hands, but I can't really reach. So I just try and make do, and I grab my thumb with my index finger. So arms to the sky, shoulders stacked on top of the hips as best as possible, and then it's a deep squat, keeping that bind, keeping everything squeezing together, and arms as in that bind as they were. Deep squat, and then you can take it into a baby eagle. Just means a soft arch into the back forward, hinging forward at the hips. So I'll show you what that looks like from the side. You can get another idea, a better understanding. So again, same thing with the right leg. So eagle wrapping, right leg over left. And then I want my right arm underneath my left arm. Again with that bind, elbows in line with the shoulders, hands away from the face, shoulders stacked on top of hips. And then once I have it, finding that deep squat. And as you're squatting, try and keep your shoulders stacked on top of the hips as much as possible. Keep squeezing the legs together. And of course, remember your drishti, your focal point, to help you stay focused and balanced. It helps as well to squeeze the core just for that extra stability. Baby eagle, again, you're arching forward into the back, keeping your eagle bind. A nice way I like to challenge it is keeping the eagle bind and then unraveling the right leg behind, finding this like warrior three with eagle arms, or eagle god, eagle three we can call it. So finding that. So it's a really, really awesome way to explore, just trying out different things, seeing what works, seeing what lands, what doesn't. But that is ultimately Eagle God Garudasana.